Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. Divakar Tichunarkar. I am a senior lecturer of this college, Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today I explain second chapter and second unit in Applied Science Physics. The code number of this subject is 22211. So last time we have to explain PPT number 9 in this chapter, chapter number 2 or unit 2. Doppler effects and its statement. Doppler introduced this effect in 1842. Before that, we have to explain piezoelectric effect. So this piezoelectric effect is discovered by Curie brothers in 1880. So student, last time we have to explain 2 points of the Doppler effects. So now I explain third point. Sound source is moving stationary. Observer is moving towards the source. So here n dash equal to n into in bracket v plus v0 upon v. In this case, apparent frequency, that is n dash, is more than true frequency. For sound source is moving away from the observer and observer is stationary. And mathematically, n dash equal to n into v upon v plus vs. Next number, sound source is stationary, observer is moving away from the source. N dash equal to n into v minus v0 upon v. In this case, apparent frequency is less than true frequency. Number 6, sound source and observer are moving towards each other. So n dash equal to n into v plus v0 upon v minus v0. Next number, sound source and observer are moving away from each other. So at that time we have to use mathematical equation n dash equal to n into v minus v0 upon v plus vs. So this is the 7 point or 7 rule of the Doppler effects. Here we have to give a mathematical equation as well as this is the important formula to solve the frequency or apparent frequency by using this formula. Now, application of Doppler effects. Number 1, siren. The siren on passing emergency vehicle will start out higher than its stationary pitch, slides down as it passes and continue lower than its stationary pitch as it recedes from the observer. Astronomy. The Doppler effect for electromagnetic waves such as light is of great use in astronomy and result in either a so-called redshift or blue shift. Keeping in mind, astronomy, the Doppler effect for electromagnetic waves such as light is of great use in astronomy and result in either also called as redshift or blue shift. It has been used to measure the speed. In Doppler effect is used to measure the speed at which stars and galaxies are approaching or receding from us, that is their radial velocity. This may be used to detect if an apparently single star is in reality a closed binary to measure the rotational speed of stars and galaxies or to detect the X-plan. Third point, other than this Doppler effect is being used in radar, medical imaging and blood flow measurement. The Doppler effect is used in radar, medical imaging and blood flow measurement. Velocity profile measurement, satellite communication, audio, vibration measurement, development, biology, etc. Student, here is velocity profile measurement, satellite communication, audio, vibration measurement, development, biology, etc. Then now limitation of Doppler effect. Number 1, the velocity of source of sound must be less than. Velocity of source of sound must be less than the velocity of sound. Keeping your mind, velocity of source of sound is less than, ये कम होता है velocity of sound से. Second point, the velocity of observer must be less than velocity of sound. Symbolically, we can write V0 less than V. And first, the velocity of source of sound must be less than the velocity of sound, that is Vs less than V. Next number, if the velocity of sound of source is greater than velocity of sound, then due to shock waves, the wave front gets distorted. Consequently, the change in frequency will not be observed by the observer. The wave front gets distorted. Consequently, the change in frequency will not be observed by the observer. So, in case of Doppler application, including the velocity of moving aeroplanes and submarines. So, in this case, radar signal waves are sent towards moving aeroplane and reflected waves are received by radar. In case of estimating the speed, to measure the speed by using the Doppler effect, in this case, light coming from a distant star is analyzed by spectroscope. If source move towards the observer, then the frequency of light increases. That spectrum lines are shifted towards the shorter wavelength, that is towards the blue end. The spectrum lines are shifted towards shorter wavelength, towards blue end. Contrary, when star move away from the observer, the lines are shifted towards the red end. Thus, by measuring the shift, velocity of star can be calculated. Police use Doppler effect of radar waves to measure the speed of car. Keeping your mind, police are used to radar. Why it is used? To measure the speed of car. How it is? Kilometer. Car goes from one place to another place. How many kilometers? So police can also use, or police use the radar to measure the speed of car. So now numerical problem. A tuning fork vibrates with a frequency of 485 Hz is if the velocity of the wave is 330 meter per second Find distance travel in 10 vibration. Again I repeat this problem. A tuning fork vibrates with a frequency of 485 Hz is if the velocity of wave is 330 meter per second. Find distance travel in 10 vibration. So our solution, n equal to, we have to given n is the frequency 485 Hz, v velocity of light 330 meter per second, and lambda be the wavelength. Now vibration equal to 10 volt, v equal to n lambda. This is our formula. This formula is used the relation between v, n and lambda. So lambda equal to v upon n. We have to put the value of v equal to 330 meter per second, n equal to 485 Hz, and find the value of lambda 0.68 meter. So distance in 10 vibration, so multiply by 10, so we get 6.8 meter. 6.8 meters. This is our answer. So student, this type of problem may be asked in your examination. Here is different type of vibration you have to given in the problem. So you have to use some numerical formulae, and in the numerical problem, any doubt, any problem, you ask me. So could I stop here? Thank you very much.